Hey everyone, ready to get your message directly into the hands of potential customers?
Today I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how to use the USPS Every Door Direct Mail EDDM tool to select your routes, process your order, and prepare the paperwork for your mailing. Let's get started. First things first, head over to eddm.usps.com. Before you do anything else, go to the top right and sign in. If you don't have an account, take a moment to create one. You can browse routes without signing in, but you won't be able to save your work, pay, or process the final mailing. Now for the fun part. The map tool is super intuitive. You can search by a specific address, city, or zip code to begin. See all these purple shapes? Each one is a specific postal carrier route. As you click on a route, it turns blue and the stats on the right sidebar immediately update. Look at that! This single route has 673 addresses. And check out the postage cost. Only $166.23 for the entire area for the August 2025 pricing. That's a fantastic value. Most routes have around 500 to 600 addresses, but they can range from a few hundred to over 1,000. You can also get more targeted. Use the filters to select routes based on average age, income, and household size using census data. You can also choose between residential only or include businesses. To see all this data clearly, I recommend switching to the table view. Once you've selected your routes, look for the post office drop-offs link on the right. This shows you exactly which post office you'll need to take your mail to. When you're ready, hit Next Step. On this page, you'll select the drop-off date. Don't stress too much about this date. If you're a day or two off, it's usually not a big deal. The post office mainly just wants to see that postage is paid. After agreeing to the terms, you can choose to pay online or at the post office. Pro tip: pay online. It makes the drop-off process much smoother. The postal clerk can just scan your barcode and accept the mail without having to handle a payment. After you've paid, it's time to prep your paperwork. You can do this even before your postcards arrive from the printer. Click Print All Forms. This document has everything you need. The most important sheet is the main processing form, PS Form 3587. Most of it is pre-filled, but you need to complete these few boxes. 1. First, check the box for EDDM Retail Indicia. 2. Next, enter the total number of bundles for your mailing. 3. Then, write the number of pieces per bundle. This is typically 100. 4. Enter the weight of a single mail piece in ounces. Your printer can give you this, or you can use a small scale. Most postcards are between 0.4 and 0.8 ounces. 5. Finally, sign and add your phone number. Next up, the facing slips. You need one facing slip for every single bundle. Your printout includes one for each route, so you'll need to make copies.
Let's use an example. If your route has 673 addresses, you'll bundle in stacks of 100. That means you'll need 7 bundles, 6 bundles of 100 pieces, and one final bundle of 73. Therefore, you need 7 facing slips. On each slip, you must clearly write the bundle count. For this example, you'd write 1 of 7, 2 of 7, 3 of 7, and so on for all 7 bundles. If you'd rather skip the hassle of bundling your postcards into sets of 100, don't worry. I've put together a list of printers who can handle that part for you. Just check the link in the video description for the full list. Now that you've added the facing slips to your 7 bundles, great job! It's time to take them to the post office. But hold on, there's one last thing you need to do. You have to place a master slip, also called a route summary slip, on top of each group of bundles for every route. And here's something important. If your selected routes belong to different zip codes or post offices, you must drop off each group at the correct local post office, the one that actually delivers mail to that area. The EDDM Retail tool will tell you exactly which post office serves which route during checkout. Once that's done, you're all set. Just bring the bundles to the right post offices, and your mail will be on its way to every doorstep in the neighborhood.